Hello everyone. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix this PC's default folders are not showing. You can see this PC section only showing storage devices and not showing folders like this pic. This PC section should be like this pic. So we are going to solve problem in this video. So without time wasting, let's jump into the video. For fixing this problem you need to download Winero Tweaker software. Don't worry, after fixing this problem you can uninstall this software from your PC. The download link of Winero Tweaker is in the description. After downloading and installing Winero Tweaker, just open it by double-click on it. You'll see lots of things in there. There are lots of fixes of other problem too. For fixing our problem you need to find File Explorer section. After that go to Customize this PC floaters section and double-click on it. Go to the Reset this page to default button and click on it. After that you will see all the folders have been restored. Just refresh your PC or open the new tab in the File Explorer and you'll see the folders of this PC section has been restored. And that's it. Our problem has been solved. One more thing, if you want to remove folders from this PC section, just open the Winero Tweaker and select all the folders and just click on Remove Selected. It will remove the folder from there again. And that's it for the video. Now you can uninstall Winero Tweaker from your system. If you found this video useful, don't forget to like and subscribe our channel. See you in the next video. Bye.